Hello, everyone. Today I joined a dinner with a group of CTOs and fellow startup founders in cafe areas. We had a great conversations about the learnings we had as we're building our startups. And I want to show you how you can get learnings using Storytell from the conversation that we had. So we record our conversations in the standard voice recorder in iPhone, and then we upload the data into Storytel in these options. And this is the recordings that we uploaded. And after it finished processing, it generates executive summaries about the advantages of structured and unstructured data, AI and NLP, the uses of different tools, AI-powered service. And it also extracts three key concepts, like different cloud services that I mentioned. AI-powered services like Fireflies and other, complaint that maintains about complaint cultures. And you can zoom more into get an understanding what is the source text that is mentioned about this. You can open this link to get a detailed view here, what was talked in the source text. So this was the conversation in the transcription. And you can also mention the Firefly other. There's also about the culture part, and you can also read more about the culture here by just going this and understand what has been talked about. Also, you can use the chat functionality to go deeper. For example, one thing you can talk about what are the main topics, like main five topics discussed in the conversation, right? So it will list the topic, which you can give some ideas from that. And for example, I heard about in this as Azure Founder Hub for startup. This is a very great program suggested by one of the CTOs from the dinner. So I want to understand about what is Azure Founder Hub. So it will give more information about this program offered by Microsoft and the startups. And I can also like go deeper into that, like how to get like can get more tools and you can get a credit. And this is all mentioned in the conversation today. So now that without need to read through all the and listen to all the 2 hour recordings, I can get information by just chatting based on the content. And I can also go deeper into different topics. For example, and you can talk about what is the comparison between and this is also a topic that talked in the dinner. The It talks about briefly discuss GCP and AWS, and we briefly talk about it. So we did not mention about the pros and cons, so which is actually pretty accurate. And it also provide a more general comparison, even if the content does not provide. We did not talk specifically about this. And you can also um, we also described how to iterate on prompt. So we can ask how to iterate on prompts. So these are something that we talk about how to iterate and improve based on the prompts. And we can also talk about what other like for example, will go deeper into these different topics. So as you can see that like this allows me first of all to get a bird eye view what has been talked in this content, and I can use chat to get in depth about what has been talked in this particular content. Also, it will give a very detailed reference about where this places is mentioned. For example, I was talking about these are the audio sources services, and this now I can see well this is this places is mentioned about in this place. For example, Firefly. This is where this Firefly is mentioned in the context, and you can see like every result that return here, you will be able to see well in the original conversation this is mentioned. And I'll also share this link so that everyone can play with it. Please let us know if you have any questions. And also, um, please feel free to try Storytell at storytell.ai. Thank you very much. Bye.